Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make crab rangoon. Okay, it's a crab rangoon recipe. Okay, today we use 8 ounce or half pound of crab imitation sticks, and then this is the crab imitation stick. We use half pound, and then this one this is the shrimp, like about 8 pieces. Okay, and then we cut it into small pieces, and then the imitation crab, we mince it into small pieces. Okay, then now we're gonna put the room temperature cream cheese into the mixture. Then mix it with the spatula or whisk, but here we use the spoon of the rice cooker. Okay,
I think we need to mix together. Mix mo na lang.
and then you have to mix the cheese and the crabs well. Okay,
No, you need to put everything.
and then now we're going to put the 5 cloves of garlic. We mince it into small pieces. And then we're gonna mix the chopped spring onion leaves. Okay, so this is about like 3 pieces of spring onion leaves. Ito na. And now you can put the minced shrimps. This is our own recipe, so yeah. And then it's time to mix it. Mix all of the ingredients. With the cream cheese, we use the Philadelphia original cream cheese. This is about 8 ounce. Ano? Ito siguro mga 3-4 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
Mga 1 tablespoon.
And then now, we're gonna put the Worcestershire sauce. Okay, we bought Leah Perrin brand, and then you have to put around 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, yeah, that will be fine. And then the next seasoning would be the oyster sauce. Here we use the Licom Key brand.
1 tablespoon na.
We're gonna put around 1 tablespoon. That's good. And then now the next seasoning would be sesame oil. I think around 2 teaspoon. The sesame oil that we use is a Kadoya brand, but toasted sesame oil would be better. And then next seasoning would be some salt, maybe around half teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Half lang, half teaspoon of salt. And then now black pepper. Around half teaspoon also of black pepper. Anyway, this one you have to season the mixture with taste, okay? Season to taste. It depends on you if you want to change the flavor or like that, make it saltier or you have to mix all of it very well, okay?
Sugar.
And then now we're going to put 2 teaspoons of white sugar to the mixture. Refrigerate pala yun. Huh? And then now we put 2 teaspoons and then you have to mix it well, okay? After mixing it, you have to put this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours or overnight so that the flavor will sip in the mixture. Now we're going to wrap the crab mixture into the wonton wrapper. You have to put about 2 teaspoons of crab mixture onto the wonton wrapper, and then we prepared egg whites, and then you have to apply it on the edges of the wrapper, and then you're gonna hold the edge, yeah, stick it together and press it, and then press the other edge, okay, edges. For us, we prefer to make it like this, like a flower shape, and then you have to press on the edges so that if you fry it, it won't burst in the oil, okay? Now we're going to fry the Rangoon wonton, and then make sure that you heat the pan and the oil. We put around 1.5 inch of vegetable oil into the casserole, and then see. And then you're gonna deep fry it until it becomes golden brown. And as you can see, the crab rangoons is getting golden brown, and it looks crispy. Hinahawakan mo. And then we're frying this in a moderate heat. And then this is how a cooked crab rangoon looks like. It should be crispy brown. Okay, this is a cooked crab rangoon. I'm sure this will taste very good.